So you're thinking about selling your Mini 3 Pro. Well, it might be worth just holding on for a while because this little drone is only just getting started. And I'm going to tell you why. So this drone came out of May 2022. It weighs just under 250 grams. It's obviously part of the Mini series. At that period, this was a bit of a breakthrough really because it had front and rear avoidance on this drone. And you can tell by the beagly eyes, as I call it, which was an amazing feature at that time because obviously we're going from the Mini 2 straight into the Mini 3 Pro. The other thing is I'm going to go through some of the spec of it because I can't remember all the spec. It's interesting to see what's changed over the years. It's a 4K 60 frame video, 4K 30 frame HDR video. It says 34 minutes of flight time. I beg to differ on that. I would have said you probably could get a good 25 minutes of battery power out of this. It does vertical shooting, it says focus track, active track, spotlight, point of interest, master shots, time lapse, hyperlapse, 48 megapixel photographs, desyn, panorama, quick transfer. Now quick transfer is another new thing that DJI brought out. So when you're doing your video and your photographs, you could transfer it really quickly onto your phone. So then you could put it onto your social medias. I'm talking about, you know, Facebook and Instagram. Got nearly forgotten then. The main feature that came out of this Mini 3 Pro was obviously the RC controller. That was a big breakthrough because previous to that, it's always been the RCN controllers. Now this is the RCN2 controller. And obviously you put the phone on that. But now you have the screen built in. And I still thought the screen quality on that was really good because I wear Polaroid sunglasses and I could always see what's going on the screen. I never bothered with a screen cover like I see with some people. Didn't do any more updates. As far as I know, I don't think they're doing any more updates on this drone now. It'd be interesting that I think, as far as I know, you can't buy the Mini 3 Pro anymore. I might be wrong. I think you can still buy the Mini 3, but not the Mini 3 Pro. But if they do, please let it know. Now I did a quick check. If you bought this drone back in 2022 with this as well, I think we're talking £859 for the whole lot. But I reckon now you probably could pick this up, I would have thought, for about 400 quid. I'm talking about eBay or some of these camera shops that do it now. Cash Converters is another one, I believe. Yeah, great drone. But the whole point of this video, saying all what it's got, it never come with waypoints. And I think everybody was hoping with the updates that they've done over the years that they're going to give you waypoints, but it never did. Now you've got a choice now of DroneLink, Litchi, Maven, and there's a few others, I believe. Now I've been dealing mainly with Litchi and Maven. I haven't done so much DroneLink now. I know there's a few other third-party apps that do this thing where you can do waypoints. Now, the good thing about waypoints with these third-party apps, you can do a lot more with them. You can do things like twirls, you can stop the drone, take a photograph, you can do a circle. Some of the things you just couldn't do on a DJI Fly app, and obviously you couldn't do it at all to do with the Mini 3 Pro. So, and obviously if you're into especially mapping or 3D design, that's something else that you can do with a third-party app. Now, when I say Litchi and Maven, what I mean is now, at the moment, Litchi is still on the test mode. They call it a Litchi Pilot Beta, but you can download it. You can do waypoints, so you can cross over your old waypoints from Litchi onto your literally pilot. The other one is Maven Evo. Now with Maven Evo, they've done it all. So you could, I'm right in thinking you have to buy the app if you haven't got it previous to that. And you can do waypoints, and you can do so many other things as well. I'm not going to go into that, but if you check out my playlist and check under either literally pilot or Maven Evo, you can see some of the amazing things you can do with it. So I just thought I'd put it out there, because obviously now we're talking about the Mini 5 Pro that's coming up in September, and obviously a lot of people will be selling off their drones to save the pennies to buy that drone. But I think for those that, you know, are quite happy with the drone itself, why sell it? Why not use one of those third-party apps? So I hope you found that interesting. I'd like to hear your thoughts, guys. Put that down below in the comments, and I'll catch you on another video coming very soon.